thematic schemes, because it was the only place where there was no cap, was an arbitrage between normal schemes and NFOs. Okay, and that arbitrage took many forms. And therefore, there was a incentive, which was a bit of a perverse incentive, to launch more and more NFOs. In the entire ecosystem, this incentive was willy-nilly there. So we addressed the root cause of that problem. There's no point in saying, let's put a cap on thematic. What is driving that proliferation is the issue. So we have, as you know, we had done a consultation paper. I'm not sure, did we issue the circular also, or it's a consultation stages? Consultation stage, okay. Okay, consultation done, approved by the board, notified. So but recent, I think it went to our last board. So you will start to see the result of root cause elimination of one. तो एक एंटीबायोटिक हमने दे दिया, ठीक है? तो अगर बैक्टीरियल इन्फेक्शन की वजह से ये प्रोलिफरेशन है, तो हमने उसका एंटीबायोटिक दे दिया. अभी you'll see the result. Now, are there other root causes of this? You are a very, I would say, insightful observer of the industry. Please help us to understand what else is driving it. See, we don't want to say crocin de do. You know, you're just suppressing the temperature. भाई नीचे से क्या हो रहा है, बॉडी में हो क्या रहा है, उसको एड्रेस करना चाहिए. Okay, so we will look forward to people coming and helping us. We understood the NFO problem, so we addressed it. We would be very keen to understand, and AMFI has always been very, I would say, again, collaborative on this, to come and guide us कि भैया actually दिक्कत ये है. So we would happily address the root cause of the problem. Now, as far as mutual fund distributors are concerned, we have said this on numerous occasions, and we keep repeating it ad nauseum. Mutual fund distributors are the agent of the AMCs. They are not an independent entity representing the investor. They are not. They are representing the manufacturer. It is just one step removed from being an employee of the AMC. So therefore, as far as we are concerned, if there is any wrongdoing by a mutual fund distributor, we will hold the AMC accountable and responsible. Now it is up to them to control their distributors for doing right, wrong, etc. In terms of the evolution of our supervision. So as you know, SEBI has been undertaking a lot of automation of supervision. So we now do, in large part, we do off-site database supervision, and hopefully we don't come and park ourselves into the mutual funds for very long for inspections and chew their brains out. We don't do that anymore. It's all streamlined. Everybody knows the rules. Everybody knows the logic of the algos, and we implement through that. So we have achieved that over the last couple of years. The next step in next year, I believe one of the KRAs for the team is that they are going to look at the supervision database on what is the behavior or otherwise of the mutual fund distributors, but not as an independent entity. We will not take action against them. If we find that some mutual fund distributor is doing something wrong, we'll say, भैया, आप बताओ, आपका distributor ये कर रहा है. Okay? So that is the next stage, in terms of extending the periphery of supervision, which we will be doing in the coming financial year. But legally and conceptually and in principle, they are agents of the mutual fund. They are not a separate entity for us as a regulator.